G'day guys, Seemyshell here, walking to the GZ of a mystery cache. What are mystery caches? G'day guys, that's right, mystery caches. Mystery caches can be one of 4 different types, and they can be either A challenge cache, B, a bonus cache, or the well-known puzzle cache, but they can also be anything else that doesn't fit into any other category. That's what they're called mystery. So let me dive in just that little bit deeper now. A challenge cache is a geocache that is actually at the posted coordinates. However, you must complete some sort of challenge in order to claim the find. You can go and sign the log without actually completing the challenge, but you can do a write note only and then claim the find once the challenge is complete. A bonus cache. Well, a bonus cache is just that, it's a bonus. So I did a lab adventure just the other day. 5 lab caches, and in the end of the lab cache, once you finish the last one, it gives you the coordinates for a bonus cache, which is classed as a mystery. And the last, as this hill gets steeper that I'm doing the walk on and I run out of breath, is a puzzle cache. Now, a puzzle cache, the cache isn't actually at the listed coordinates. You look down the description in the cache page and you'll find some sort of puzzle in which you'll have to solve to get the exact coordinates of GZ. I'm nearly ready for this view. So there you have it guys, mystery cache now in hand. If you're like me and you struggle with puzzles, there's a link in the description below for Cully Long's How to Puzzle Cache book. It is absolutely fantastic. I use it every single time. Also, if you have any comments or questions, don't forget the comment section below. Meanwhile, click the subscribe button and don't forget to ring that little bell so you get notifications every single time I do a new video. I wonder what's coming up next week. We'll see. Oh, my hands are dirty. This is Seemyshell. I've got to sign the log. I'm over and out. That was a bit loud.